It's ever so peaceful.
Good morning from another sunny day in Scotland. A little bit overcast in the background there, but today we are mountaineering. So you can see I'm fully kitted up, got a local map, got my compass, got my survival kit in the back, and we're going to be trying to climb that snow-capped mountain. So first of all, we're going from the nature reserve and then up Beinn Ghlas. Probably pronounced that wrong. And what's the one we're going to the top of, Helen? Beinn Ghlas, which is the 10th highest mountain in Scotland, or Munro as they like to call them. And yeah, it is snow capped as you see the pictures. And yeah, we're fully kitted out, but we're going to have a go, and hopefully we don't need mountain rescue. So it is snowing a little bit. Don't know if you can see the snow there, so it's not a great sign, but hopefully the helicopter can see my bright orange hat. So let's have a go, shall we? Let's try not to fuck this up. Alright, so we're at the first checkpoint of the day. Look at those views, they're absolutely stunning. And as always, Helen has made a friend. Speaks to any bugger she does. And yeah, our first climb is up there in the snow. Has it followed it? There we are. So we're going to keep trooping on. I'm going to have a square of chocolate, give me a little bit of energy. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning. Got all my kit on. I feel like mountaineering Ken. But tell you what, it weighs a bastard ton on my back. So probably shall I for that next time I do something like this. But you never know. You just never know. So best to be safe than sorry. So let's keep cracking on. I can see people up the ridge line. And yeah, getting excited. Right, so we're at the top of Beinn Ghlas. We've probably totally butchered that, and we're 1100 metres up, and it's just starting to clear in the background there. Not that you can see much in this snowstorm, but if you have a look all the way around, it's absolutely epic up here. And yeah, so it's just starting to clear up now. That is absolutely insane how quickly that's just clearing up, so hopefully we might be able to see where we're going. So next we are, let me turn this round, going down that ridge line. But yeah, look at those views. Wow. Nice. Right, let's keep moving on before we get too cold. But have a look over there, you can see that snowstorm coming down over there. Wow, I hope that ain't coming our way. Right, let's move on, shall we? What a day, this is ace. Yeah, we'll do, get a picture of you.
Oh, thank you.
How dare you interrupt this vlog, Helen? How dare you? Right, here's the trig point. We're at the top of Beinn Ghlas, which is the 10th highest mountain in Scotland. So we're currently 1200 metres, 1214 metres up. We've come from that ridgeline down there, and fortunately that snow cloud has disappeared and we've got full bright sunshine up here. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning. So we're going to get something to eat now. We've got some hot soup and a bread roll, cup of coffee, and then we're going to make our way back down. Got a different route back down there. But yeah, the scenes are absolutely epic. Well done, love. Proud of you. But yeah, wow, what a day.
It's ever so peaceful. I can't do it.
Well, that was an epic day out, wasn't it, ladies and gentlemen? Proper day of two halves with the weather. Going up through a snowstorm, couldn't see bugger all, and then got to the top and it was clear as a bell. And looking at the mountain now, there's not a bit of snow in sight, so it's crazy how quickly it's melted off. But back at the car now, made ourselves a cup of coffee, get ourselves warmed up, and head back to the cottage, to the Scottage. Yeah. Right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. Something a little bit different anyway. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and might do some more climbing soon. See you there.